Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto in Action. I hope you guys are all doing great. I'm doing amazing. I've kind of been sick the last couple days. I got the cold, and that's why my voice kind of sound a bit, off, I would say. So, but I hope you guys can hear me. I honestly shouldn't be making this video just because my voice doesn't sound as good, but I wanted to make this just so I can keep you guys updated because I believe a big Bitcoin dump is about to happen. That big Bitcoin dump that we were talking about in my last video, I believe is gonna happen today or in the next coming days. Okay, so let's jump into the chart here and talk about, first of all, what has happened so far in the Bitcoin price the last couple of days, and then we're going to talk about this big Bitcoin dump that is about to happen very, very soon. Okay, so we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, currently Bitcoin is trading at 17,000. Okay, now 17,000 has been a very major resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, for the last few days, we'll see what has happened here. Bitcoin was trading between 16,800 and 17,000. Okay, it's been finding strong resistance around 17,000, and then it's been having some support around 16,800. Okay, around those area. Now, just yesterday, Bitcoin seemed to have broken this 17,000 resistance, right? We got like 2 4-hourly candle close above 17,000, but this move was obviously a false breakout. Okay, it was obviously a false breakout, and we can confirm that just by seeing the candles. The kind of candles that was being formed when Bitcoin broke this resistance. It did not come with a lot of buying volume, first of all, and it was leaving like a lot of wicks at the top. That's not a very strong breakout. Whenever the price breaks either a resistance or support, you want to first of all see a lot of volume backing it up. Okay, and then second of all, you want to see like really strong candles, candles that are like that have full body. But these candles here that was followed in this breakout here, it did not really have full body. It left like long wicks at the top, and the buying volume started decreasing after the third candle, and this is one of the reasons. After that, the sellers were able to push the price back down. Okay, that's one reason, volume decreasing. And our second thing that caused Bitcoin to start crashing is because 17,300 was like an area where Bitcoin got rejected in the past year, like back on December 1st, okay, which was on Thursday last week. Bitcoin went to 17,390, and then it massively got rejected there. And this is one thing that was showing us that, hey, keep that price in check. Keep that price in check. 17,390 is going to be an area that the price will get rejected once more if it tries to come back up there. And this is why, after Bitcoin got rejected at 17,390, it started falling back down, right? And then, it found support around 16,800, and then from there it started reversing back up. This area now is like strong resistance, and this is why Bitcoin got rejected massively and now it's falling. Another resistance that it had here was this vertical resistance here. Okay, so I told you guys in the last video that we have this vertical resistance, which is acting as a very strong resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, let me zoom out the chart so you can see it better. All right, so you can see this yellow line here, right? It's been acting as a strong resistance for Bitcoin, and you'll see here, this is the first one, second one right here. I could say even this one here, this is probably the second one. And then on this one here, Bitcoin actually broke in, but then it was another false move. We came back out, and then now this is like I would say the fourth one. Yeah, the fourth try. So Bitcoin came near this line again, and it's getting rejected right along this line. So definitely this yellow line here is acting as a very, very strong resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, so now that Bitcoin got rejected around 17,390, okay, around this area. Now it has formed a double top. Okay, it has formed a double top on the 4-hour time frame, and a double top is a bearish pattern, guys. And because of this, I am expecting the price of Bitcoin to actually dump all the way back down to around 16,600. Okay, because this is where we have some support there. Okay, so the price is gonna fall. Okay, it's falling, and it should find support around 16,600, you know, and this would fall right along this green trend line here that we have. Okay, so this is also gonna act like as a temporary support for Bitcoin here. So if Bitcoin finds support along this green trend line, then we're probably gonna bounce back up to 17,000 once more. And then the ultimate crash obviously is around 16,200. This is where I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to get to. Okay, in the bigger picture, if you go on the daily time frame, let me delete all these lines here. I hope you guys can hear me. You know, I can't even hear myself speak right now because I feel like my voice sounds not as good, but I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so this is the daily time frame here, you know, and you can see daily time frame, we're looking bearish. Okay, we're getting another bearish candle, and this is not a good sign. So most likely because of this, the price could even dump even all the way back to 15,000, because getting rejected on the daily time frame, you know, on this area is not a good sign. So there's a chance that the price of Bitcoin might even dump all the way back to 15,000, you know, but we might find support along this purple trend line right here, which is sitting right around 16,200. Okay, so yeah guys, a big dump is coming in the Bitcoin price. First stop is 16,600. That's the first target, and then the second target is gonna be around 15,000, around 15,000, I'll say 800. Okay, around there. Just keep an eye out on that. Bitcoin is about to dump, and I'm letting you guys know about it, so you can go ahead and start shorting Bitcoin and make money from this dump that is about to happen. Remember, always set your stop losses and trade with money that you can afford to lose, guys. I just let me show you guys a few more signs as to why the price is gonna crash. Okay, if you look at the RSI here, you can see that the price is actually overbought here. Okay, on the RSI here for the 4-hour time frame, we are overbought, and we have a bearish divergence. Okay, another bearish signal. So that is it for this analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and also join the Telegram group if you like to be getting more analysis like this on a regular basis. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Have a great day. See you.